So Shokz are back, baby, with their latest cutting-edge open-ear buds, the OpenFit 2 and the OpenFit 2 Plus. The OpenFit 2 Plus boasts the usual open-ear design with upgraded controls, Dolby audio and impressive battery life for those all-day excursions. Or there's the regular OpenFit 2, which are almost identical to the Plus buds, except they strip out a couple of features like wireless charging for a more palatable price. So let's have a gander at the OpenFit 2 and the OpenFit 2 Plus, and a massive thanks to Shokz for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Cheers! So first up, what do you actually get in the box? Well, of course, you've got yourself the OpenFit buds, you've got a handy user guide, and you've got a decidedly dinky Type-C to Type-C USB cable for charging. And the OpenFit 2 is the same as the Plus, you just get a slightly different pair of buds, of course. So the Shokz OpenFit 2 and OpenFit 2 Plus both sport that same great open ear design, which is absolutely fantastic if you don't want to feel like your skull has been penetrated by eager hentai tentacles. Or if you just want to stay aware of what's going on in the world all around you, or for some deeply disturbing reason, you might actually want to have a conversation with your children. The OpenFit 2 and OpenFit 2 Plus boast some nickel titanium alloy ear hooks, which are smothered in an ultra soft silicone 2.0 coating. And this offers a strokeably soft finish, so the buds are nice and comfortable to wear, helped along by the fact that they weigh just 9.4 grams each. And that fit is nice and stable as well. And just to prove a point, mush test. And these buds are IP55 dust and water resistant, so no real worries if you happen to live here in Drizzle City. Just bear in mind that the Shokz case itself isn't IP rated, so you'll want to keep that one as dry as possible. Now the OpenFit 2 and OpenFit 2 Plus buds both boast a bit of Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, so you can stream audio direct from your device at a range of just over 30 feet. And of course, to get the best from these buds, you'll want to download the Shokz app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now the Shokz app gives you full control over the various features and settings. So for instance, you can get paired up with a couple of different devices at once using multi-point pairing. And I find that particularly handy because I can be editing video on my laptop using the buds to stream the audio, but then quickly swap to my smartphone if I need to take a call or whatever. You can also check on the battery status of the buds and the charging case. If you jump on into the settings, you've got some great features packed in here, including a bit of Find My Earbuds action. It's pretty handy if you find your cat usually runs off with them. And as well as tweaking the audio output, more on that in a bit, you can also use the Shokz app to customize the controls. Now for this generation of earbuds, Shokz has upgraded and improved the actual controls. So you can, for instance, press and hold on the surface of the buds to conjure up your smartphone assistant. But you also now have a physical push button on both the left and the right buds, so you can give this a quick poke in order to play or pause your music. You can double click either the left buds or the right buds in order to skip forward a track, and if you do a triple click, that'll skip you back a track. Now you can also click and hold the left bud to decrease the volume, click and hold the right bud to increase the volume. But this is all completely customizable here in the Shokz app. So for instance, I prefer to double click the left bud to go back a track and double click the right bud to skip forward a track. This saves you even having to bother with the triple click, so I'll just have that set to nothing. Nice and easy. As for the actual audio, well, that is ejaculated into your lug holes in a rather pleasing fashion using air conduction transducer tech. Proper posh that. It's actually dual boost tech because you have two independent speakers in each bud, one pumping out crisp highs while the other, with its large 17.3mm drivers, spaffing a grumbly bit of bass right into your lugs. And the result is impressive clarity and balance. And as I briefly alluded to earlier, you do have various EQ modes you can switch between, including a bit of bass boost if you love those grumbly lows, bit of treble if you fancy the highs, and you can completely customize the output yourself using the built-in equalizer. You got support for the AAC and SBC codecs, not too surprising for a pair of open-ear buds. And as you can see, the Plus model also boasts a bit of Dolby audio fine-tuning as well, which you can toggle on and off in that app. And that's a feature you do not get with the regular Shokz OpenFit 2. These earbuds also have full DirectPitch 2.0 support, and that's an upgrade over the original feature found in the first pair of OpenFit buds. And this just helps to minimize the amount of audio leakage going on, so anyone around you remains blissfully unaware of your god-awful musical tastes. And let's just test this out right now. I'm going to blast a good bit of punk music as loud as I possibly can stand. Okay, that's really, really loud. Let's see if the mic can pick up on it. So my eardrums are absolutely buzzing after that, but it looked like the sound levels were only ever so slightly trembling, so the mic was barely picking up on anything at all. And both the Shokz OpenFit 2 and the OpenFit 2 Plus boast 4 built-in beamforming microphones with an AI type situation for muffling any surrounding sound when you're on a call and ensuring that your vocals come through loud and clear. And good news if you plan on rocking the Shokz OpenFit 2 or OpenFit 2 Plus on your head for a long haul journey, or if you're going to be roaming the wilderness all day long, because you've got up to 11 hours of full-on battery life from a single charge. And an even more good news, if you slap these buds back into the handy wee charging case, you'll get over 3 full recharges before that internal battery is drained, giving you almost 50 hours of audio action. And if your OpenFits are fully drained when you slap them into that charging case, it'll take approximately an hour to fully power them back up again. But if you're in a bit of a rush to get them back on your lugs and enjoy some more music, well, no worries, just 5 minutes sat in that case will give you roughly an hour of playtime. And the charging case for both the OpenFit 2 and the OpenFit 2 Plus can be recharged using Type-C USB. But if you shell out for the Plus model, well, this also supports a bit of wireless charging, so you can slap it on the back of your smartphone, as long as that supports reverse wireless charging, of course, and get powered up on the go. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is the fresh new Shokz OpenFit 2 and OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. It'd be great to hear what you think down in the comments below. A massive thanks to Shokz again for sponsoring this video and keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. Please do poke subscribe, ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you all.